Hello everyone, I am Chiran, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sculpt human body. It's for different purpose. So I uploaded the first video of create base mesh for this. I will put link in the description. So let's go to the video. Sculpting. All of these objects are separated, so we have to join them. To do that, select all objects you want, go to the object and click on join. But before join them, make sure there's no active modifier in every object you want to join. And we also have to remesh the object before sculpting, because when we join objects, it makes separated topology. We have to make it a same mesh before sculpting, and Blender default voxel mesh is perfectly enough to done that job. You can find it in object data properties. After remesh, we have a good mesh for sculpting. In sculpting mode, turn dynamic topology on, and in this project I used brush detail. But personally, I use brush details in all of my sculpting projects. And never forget to turn mirror on in symmetry along the axis that you're working with. Use grab brush to fix errors of the base mesh. Get the smooth brush and smooth those horrible lines. Then use clay strip brush and start making muscles. Try do it as smooth as you can. The crease brush is very useful when you sculpting muscles. You should try it. Get the smooth brush and smooth it. I use the details of the reference image. You can choose a good reference image if you plan to do the same. So you can make the whole body using only clay strips brush and smooth brush. To make hands and legs, I used a picture of a lion's hand. Add a UV sphere and add subdivision surface modifier. And get it in the same shape using the grab brush. It's easy to do it in wireframe view. Some details using clay strips. Use UV sphere as fingers and use a cone as nail. When you're done making whole thing, join all objects and remesh it. After that, you can go to sculpting mode and add details. And use smooth shader after remesh to make the surface smooth. You can find it in dynamic topology. After that, you can join it to the body, but before join, use the grab brush and align it with the body. Add the mirror modifier to the hand and in edit mode move it, but it will not move along the axis because the middle point is not correct. Apply the mirror modifier and select one hand in wireframe mode. Press P and selection to separate it and place both hands. I made legs by removing one finger of the hand. To do that, go to edit mode, select the whole mesh, and in mesh, choose the bisect tool, place the line in the mesh and expand the menu below. Check clear out outer and fill and retouch it in sculpting mode. After that, you can get it into the perfect shape using grab brush and do the same as hands. So this is all for this video, and I will show you how to make clothes and armor to this body in next video. Drop a comment what you think about this video and if you know a better name for the channel. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.